Hey guys, what's up and welcome to my channel. As you can see on the title down below, we are going to be listening and reacting to Rain as well as Jackson Wang's collaboration song called Magnetic. And I think it just came out a couple of days ago. Well, I'm not sure when this video is gonna come out and when I'm be able to edit it, but it did come out around that time when I shot this video. And for the life of me, I know that Rain has been coming out with songs recently featuring other idols or other artists, and I just haven't been able to watch them. But I could not miss on Jackson Wang and Rain's collaboration because they're both fire dudes. Like, Jackson Wang came up with his own label, and now that he's free from, and Rain has been an icon since before I was even into K-pop, which is around 2009. So I'm excited because Rain has been in my life, I think, since a Full House, his Hallyu. That was the start of me watching Korean dramas, actually. Rain's Full House. So I'm not gonna make this long as it is already, and I'm just gonna get on to the reaction. So let's go. All right. My earphones are in and my music video is up. So let's watch this. Magnetic by Rain and Jackson Wang. Ooh, Sublime Artist Agency. That's Jackson's new company, or where he's newly signed. Look at that. I wonder if they are all under Sublime. Ooh. Okay. Oh shoot. I'm gonna say this I'm not even 1 minute into the song, and I'm gonna say this. I love this song. This is right up my alley, right up my vibe. Like, I love how smooth it is. Rain coming in, like, he was like, yes! Oh, this is so good. Okay, let's go back a little and listen to that again. I love how he's just walking there and making love to the camera. Ooh. Can you imagine Rain and Kai doing a collaboration? Ooh. I love how husky his voice is. Jackson. That appeal is off the charts. I love this song. This is definitely one of those songs when you have someone over. Yes. Ooh, I like that. So nice. It just makes you want to groove to the song. Oh my god. That was so good. I want more songs like that. If you have songs that sound like that or is like that, please leave it down in the comments down below. I would love to hear more of that kind of vibe, especially if it's from lesser known groups or just groups that I haven't reacted to here on the channel before. Let me know, because I'm all for that sound, for that vibe. That was just so good. Oh my lord. Like I could hear that song playing while I'm in bed. The lights are dark and just feeling myself. No. Wait, no, not that. I meant like just letting the song rule over you. Like I would put that song Magnetic with Love Talk, with Whiplash, with Highway to Heaven, and it's done. That's it, done deal. I would be a happy woman and I would be sleeping like a baby after that. And like, I can hear you calling, and then Magnetic. Girl, I'm stuck on magnetic. Ah, it's so good. Anyway, I'm gonna end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe on to the video. I hope to see you guys on my next video. And if you haven't yet, check out my other videos over here and follow me on my socials. So yeah, bye guys.